Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. Erica Rock, Spiritual Catalyst. I had my December energy upgrade telegathering last night where we, together as one heart, one energy, one love, one human family, traveled to the Realm of Shamballa, which is a realm of unity and divine love and grace. And it is so delicious. It is so delicious. And we did a number of things, but one is we met our avatar version of ourselves and received a direct download from our avatar. And I found this transmission and connection to be so powerful. I wanted to do just like a mini version of it so that everyone can experience it. And I feel that connecting to the realm of Shamballa is so important given the energies that we're in and that we are moving more deeply into, being able to travel there and meet our avatar and receive messages, guidance, healing, whatever it is that you need directly from your avatar self. And you kind of like become the bridge between the realm of Shamballa and here, and you start to anchor the energies of this most immaculate, crystalline realm into here, into your space, into your body, all your bodies, into the land that you live on. And I really feel it's so important that everyone should have access to this. So if you would like to join me, I invite you to close your eyes and begin to take some nice, long, slow, deep breaths into your body. And as we breathe, we become more centered. Stress and tension begin to lift up and off of us. The mind becomes calm, like looking at a lake at first dawn. You know how it looks like glass, there isn't a ripple. It is just so deeply silent and still. I ask for you to see, feel, allow, imagine a brilliant, radiant, white light descending from the heavens, descending from the light above, the source of all that is. And this column of light radiates down, coming into your space, coming into the top of your head, and coming within the physical body, out the soles of the feet, going down into Gaia. This pillar of light also expands around us so that this column of light is approximately 4 to 6 feet around you. And as this light of source connects with you, a star tetrahedron, a Merkaba, begins to manifest around you. And the top half spins clockwise while the bottom half spins counterclockwise. This is your ascension vehicle. And as this Merkaba begins to spin faster and faster and faster, the light within the ascension vehicle becomes brighter, more luminous, begins to pulsate and vibrate. It merges with your physicality, feeding all of your cells. And you find yourself in the very center of your ascension vehicle, this Merkaba. And as the Merkaba spins faster and faster and faster, it starts to, you can't even see it. It's like a whirl. Spinning so fast, the light intensifying more and more and more. And this Merkaba begins to lift up off the ground, and you're within the very center of it. Your ascension vehicle begins to travel upwards within the column of source light, going up past your home, up into the sky, up past your city or town, up past your country, going higher and higher up past the earth. And you look upwards and you see the source of the source, the one true light, and you are moving towards it faster and faster and faster. And finally, you penetrate the light of the all that is. And you travel even higher through the light. And as you go higher and higher, the light becomes more luminous, vibrant, radiant. You begin to feel lighter and lighter. You feel the love of the Creator. You feel a peace, a welcome home, an acceptance, a deep acceptance where you feel completely seen, held, nurtured, and supported. And your ascension vehicle begins to finally slow down. Slowing down, and it comes to a graceful stop. And as you look in front of you, the light within the light begins to swirl. It swirls in a clockwise spiral. And the light within the light begins to spiral faster and faster and faster, until an opening appears within the light of the light. And as you peer into this opening, you see what may appear to you as like a heaven on earth scene, a realm of unity, of unconditional love, of grace, of compassion, of sweetness. And you see before you, as you come now through the light, entering the realm of Shamballa, you immediately see a temple, a white temple in front of you. It's made of marble. There's pillars and stairs leading up to a main gathering area. Begin to make your ascent up the stairs to this gathering area. Look to the right and to the left. You will see rows upon rows of books. These are the books of knowledge, and they go as far as the eye can see, into infinity. In the center of the temple space is a fountain with a living liquid gold light. And in front of the fountain is a white marble altar. And standing behind the altar is your avatar self. This version of you which resides within the realm of Shamballa. Make your way to your avatar and to the altar. And when you reach your avatar self, sweetly gaze into the eyes of your avatar. Notice the energies your avatar self is emitting. How do you feel in your avatar's presence? What do you notice? Let's pause here for a minute to just connect with our avatar, to be in the presence of our avatar. Your avatar now reaches to hold your face sweetly and to bring your face towards theirs. They cradle your cheeks in their hands and they lean over and connect their third eye directly to your third eye. And the moment this connection occurs, your avatar self begins to download directly into you light, energy, intelligence, guidance, messages, healing. Everything that you require right here and right now. Receive it. And we will be silent for a few minutes to receive this direct download to complete. Your avatar self now releases you from their gentle hold. You may or may not have a conscious understanding of that which you were just given. In time, it will make sense. Allow the process to unfold, knowing that what your avatar self gave to you is what you need right now in this perfect present moment. And now that you've made the connection with your avatar self in the realm of Shamballa, you can use this method to connect and receive more deeply time and time again. If there's ever a time where you feel helpless, need healing, need reassurance, clarity, guidance, activations, integration, you can travel to the realm of Shamballa, meet your avatar self, and ask for what it is you need, while remaining open to allowing your avatar self to give you that which you truly need despite what you may think that you need. Feed this relationship as you would feed any other relationship. And you will find that this avatar version of you, as it is you, becomes a most powerful and sacred ally. So let us bow and honor our avatar self, and your avatar self will respond in kind, bowing and honoring you. Bid them farewell. And your ascension vehicle, your Merkaba, will begin to spin once again. The top half spinning clockwise, the bottom half spinning counterclockwise. And as it spins, it brings in immense amounts of pure source light. Your ascension vehicle begins to back its way out of the temple, down the stairs to the portal of light within the light of source. You go through the portal and follow the shaft of light back down towards earth, back down towards your environment, your space, and finally merging fully and completely with your physical vessel, bringing all of the light, energy, intelligence, and downloads that you've received from your avatar into this earth plane reality and into your physicality and all versions of you and all relevant time, space, and dimension. And finally, let us now ground, bringing your full awareness and attention to the soles of your feet. As you see, feel, allow, imagine roots, deep, thick roots growing from your feet, going down into Mother Earth, all the way down, anchoring into the crystalline core of Gaia. So you may fully integrate and embody all that has been shared with you here today. So when you're ready, you can open your eyes, reestablish connection with your environment, with your body, noticing how you feel. Just notice what you notice. And if you have any questions or want to share experiences about this mini journey we did to the realm of Shamballa, meeting our avatar self today, please post in the comments below. And if you know someone that could benefit from this, please like and share it with them. I always appreciate that. So have a great weekend, huge hugs and much love. Take care, and I'll see you soon.